Hi, my name is Alex Carlich with GustonShow.com. I want to talk to you about going bankrupt. So let's say you file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy and you're discharged. In the next 2-year window period, the underwriter will be looking at that 2 years post-bankruptcy. Let's say it's been 3 years since your discharge and you were late in something in that 2-year window. Underwriters tend to just not want to do the loan unless you've got a really, really good excuse. Because you filed a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, they want you perfect for at least 2 years because you were given a second chance on life. Okay, so don't be late after you discharge a bankruptcy. It could be an automatic denial just because you were late after bankruptcy, not for any other reason, just because they don't like the fact that you disregard for debt. Now, if you file a Chapter 13 bankruptcy and you're currently in it and you're late on something, they also don't want to approve your loan because they don't want you late on anything while you're in a bankruptcy, especially your BK payment. Now, if you get a one-off small credit card, it's been 4 years, you've been in a Chapter 13, you got a 30-day late once maybe on a credit card, but not your bankruptcy payments, then you probably can get away with that one late. So be careful in being late after bankruptcy. Just try to be perfect. And give me a call if you file bankruptcies. I'll give you all the best advice. I know mortgages post-bankruptcies better than anybody. My phone number is 630-915-7550. Please subscribe. Thank you.